What up? Yo, yo. Inside Starbucks, I got a coffee and a water. And I was just chatting up the assistant manager. She was serving me. And feels good to chat people up. I have to chat people up more when I'm getting served stuff in the stores. I guess people that are serving, people that I'm spending my money at, I'll just chat them up. Because I know I'm not the only one feeling this way. If I say that, you know, these lockdowns and all this mandates are kind of isolating, right? So they're making people really reclusive, and I would understand that there's a lot more people going through this, not just myself. So it goes a while without talking to a lot of people sometimes, you know. But I get to talk to you guys a lot, and what's funny is that this retro cam makes me want to talk to the camera a lot more for some reason. It's easier. It reminds me of somebody I know, you know, like somebody I know in there. It's an old friend that I haven't seen in a while. And the best part is I talk a lot when I get like this. It's what I'm just remembering. I'm like, frig, I've been making these vlogs happen, but it's just me talking to the camera the whole time. Then I remember like, oh yeah, that's how I used to be when I did actually talk a lot when I was vlogging. And I was feeling comfortable with the cameras. So I'm just excited to know that the passion is back because of these cameras. Anyways, I'm going to the pet store. I don't know if I'll bring you in with me yet. These cameras are too big to bring in the stores, but really I just should anyways. Rock it. All right. I made it to the pet store. So I'm gonna jump on in there real quick. Go grab a bag of Blue Buffalo fish and oats kibble for Ziggy, and I'll be right back. This is the shit that we got. Any of you guys use this same dog food? I'm drinking this coffee here, not even realizing that I'm loving it. I was debating over the Pike Roast or the Christmas blend, and I got the Christmas blend, and it's really freaking good. So I'm taking it down this pathway, and we're gonna go for a little hike down by the water. I just fucking fell. And I was just thinking like, yo, it's icy here. And it's so funny because I got a camera in one hand and a coffee in the other, so I'm falling like this. I ended up sliding on my butt. Oh, my butt's all full of snow. Oh, damn. Thinking about, since I did the ice dip, oh, I didn't even put that vlog out yet, but I did an ice dip in the lake. I'll make a video of that on YouTube on New Year's. And now the next thing I want to conquer, besides doing more ice dips, is winter camping. I would love to try some winter camping. I'm going to hit up my friend Cynthia. Maybe she wants to do it and show me the ropes, because I've never done it before. And I would just love to know what kind of shit I need to bring with me. Yo, this is the best spot here, this bridge. Looks like the river's all frozen. And yeah, winter camping. That's gonna be the next challenge. Try and do some winter stealth camping somewhere. Because I have everything I need. I don't think I have a tent. That's the only thing I need to figure out is what I'm gonna sleep in. But I got the sleeping bags, the stoves, propane, skillets, tarps, string, knives, wood for fire. I got it all. And on a day like this, where it's like -1, 0, like I could feel like it would be a good start to it. because I would just wear a full snowsuit in my sleeping bag, double the sleeping bag up, put a face mask on, and I'll be warm enough, you know. Get mad stoned, put me to sleep. This sign is hilarious. Let's zoom in on it. Not now, it's too cold for them. They're dormant now. So this is a 16-mile creek. Very, very ancient spot here for the First Nations that lived out here before it was colonialized. Alright, I'm on the ice. Seems thick enough. It's been so cold out lately, there's no way I'll be falling through this. Boom shakalaka. I'm gonna cross it. Ready? Going right across. Oh shit! Yeah, it's solid. I could ice skate on this thing. Okay. You got some nice graffiti under the bridge. It's always sick to appreciate the art here. Like, what does it say? BRK IZ or 12? 12? I2? Look at the colors on that shit. It's beautiful. One thing I'd like to try. I've never really done graffiti font before. And I freaking love the underside of bridges. They've got this cool charisma aesthetic to them. If you're liking this video so far, I appreciate you. Whew, hiking back up is something else. This is where I fell. Right there, and I slid on my butt. Yeah, I just want to do a little outro clip because I'm leaving this spot, this location. Hopefully you enjoyed the day out with me, running some errands and checking out the nature. And I'll see you at the next adventure location.